Welcome back, y'all. Car guys, what's up, man? So I told y'all, man, I had stuff coming. I do have another big mod that just came, but y'all have to stay tuned for that. If you haven't hit that button, let's go ahead and hit that subscribe button. As y'all see, we have hit 1,000. I told y'all, let's do it. But yeah, this video, man, it's gonna kind of be a DIY for those that was, asking questions about the installs. So this one's kind of gonna be a DIY. I'm gonna make it simple for you, real simple, y'all. For this mod, all you're gonna need is a Phillips head screwdriver, or flathead, it don't matter. A pry bar, and a 7mm set. That's it. What are we doing today? I told y'all I'm switching out. I'm going with kicker. So what I'll be giving y'all today is the 6x9 install. I'm waiting on the 6.5 to get here, and the 3 1/4, I want to say, for my dash. As y'all can hear in the intro, the crunches, they sound pretty good. Now if I had subs in my car, which I have one sub, and that's the 8, the 8 ball sub that I have back there that I need to put it on the amp. As y'all can hear, the clarity in them, the clarity sounds real good in them. Like I say, it's the bang for the buck. If you're looking just to upgrade your basic stock sound, I would go with the crunches for that budget. But now I'm looking to upgrade now because one, my car is in shows. I don't know if y'all seen, well, I hope y'all seen the videos of the car shows that I've been in. Like I said, the last one I was in, I did bring home top 10 car. So, and again, with YouTube, you got to show people y'all see the trophy in the hand. Then I also have a plaque in the trunk. But I'm trying to hurry up through this because right now it's 83 degrees, but the humidity got it feeling like 95 today in Charlotte. But it's a quick DIY. I'm gonna try to give y'all the best footage with one hand. So let's get into the video. All right, guys, so I'm back. So as you can see, the door handle is off. It's that simple. And this is what the back piece look like. Now, remind you, with the Dodges, the Dodge Challengers and Chargers, let me let y'all guys know before y'all snatch this panel off, be careful of these two over here. Please be careful. This right here, your light, that thing is extremely hot. So be careful when y'all grab that. What I pretty much did was took the back piece. I went from the back piece instead of unplugging it. I just pulled the back piece off. It's a lot easier. Make sure y'all pull this one out. And once you get here, there you have it. So like I said, these crunches, if somebody wants these crunches, man, let me know. Hit me up in a DM and I'll send them to you. You know what I'm saying? As part of being a subscriber. And I'll send them to you. But like I said, you're going to need a T15 screw bit to go in here. Also, I'm gonna change those out and put regular screws in there so you won't have to use a T15. But stay tuned. I'm gonna show you the rest. All right, so I'm back. So this is what it looks like with it out right here. And so this is the connector piece. I know I had some questions about that I went to Best Buy and got. So this is the connector piece for the Dodge Challenger. I can't remember the number it was. Y'all will have to go back to that video of me installing the crunch speakers to find that information out. Cause like I say, it's the same exact setup. I also found out what them wires go to. Those are for the tweeters. So I'll just run those to these right here. I'll splice them and connect them to these. But as y'all see, it's pretty much a simple fix. And like I said, with these crunches, These are the Crunches 6x9. They sound good for clarity. And if y'all looking to upgrade y'all basic, factory speakers, I would go with these. But I'm looking for a little bit more competition because, like I say, now that my car is in car shows and stuff, I want to up, my sound a little bit. But Crunches isn't bad, man. Especially for the pricing, they're not bad. If you're looking to upgrade, have a little bit better than what your car has, Crunch is better it's better for the bang of the buck. I'll put it that way. But as y'all see with the kickers, we finna install these bad boys and hit a difference in them. Like I said in the beginning of the video, y'all heard what the so that's what they're gonna look like. So y'all heard what the Crunches sound like. So we're gonna hear the difference once I get these set up. For the meantime, stay tuned. Hold on.
She love me now, she love me, she love me now, she love me, she love me now. Baby in this, like let me.
Alright y'all, so I am back. Oh, let me tell you, it's hot. It's hot. Like he said, do the right thing, Samuel Jackson. It's hot. But man, let me tell you, kickers is the way to go. This is for all my bass heads. Now your speakers sound good. When you see that mirror vibrating, you got some good sound. Now I couldn't hear it with the Crunches because, like I say, the Crunches, they're more if you have subs and whatnot. But like I said, these are the tools y'all are gonna need. This is for a Dodge Challenger. I don't know what kind of car y'all have, but trust me, if y'all hit me up, a lot of folks know that the ones that hit me up, I always respond back. But the main tools you're gonna need, this is for a Dodge Challenger or Dodge Charger. You're gonna need a 7mm for the door hinge. Like I say, these Pro Tools, I have the link down below. It comes as a set. It's a 4-piece. I should have got it, but it's a 4-piece that comes with it. It's an actual metal pry bar. It has the little prongs like that, but it's metal. I have the link down for that. You can get it on Amazon. It's like 14 bucks. Also, just like a little screwdriver or whatever, just to push the pin in. That pin that I showed y'all on the side of the door. This Dodge Challengers and Chargers. I don't know what kind of car y'all have, but it's a pin that you just push in, and when you push it in, you're going to just take your pry bar and stick it back there and pop it out. It's real simple. Just don't push it in too hard and tear it up. But yeah, and also, if y'all haven't invested in one of these, it's pretty much a magnet if you drop your screw. It extends as long as you need it. I think this goes 7 feet or something like that, 6 feet. But it extends. If you drop your screw, you can just... Mechanics know what these are. You can get them at AutoZone. I got this at Walmart. It was like $3. But trust me, y'all gonna thank me later for these. Just make sure you keep it in your car. And a basic Phillips head screw for the 3 screws at the bottom. Well, I'm in here squirting my hand sanitizer everywhere. Don't worry, y'all. Like I said, I'm gonna get this car washed up after this video. But yeah, you're gonna need those tools. That's your tools you're gonna need. Man, I can't even. The camera don't do justice on the sound. But those are the tools you're gonna need. Like I say, once you take the screws out at the bottom, mine's had a total of 4 screws, Phillips head screws, which is you're gonna need this for. And then you have 1 in the door hinge. Let me show y'all just in case some folks be like, man, what the hell are you talking about? The door hinge right here, that's where you use the 7mm. And then when you pull this tab open, there's a plastic piece in there that you're just gonna pop out. There's a Phillips head screw in there. And then you have 4 screws at the bottom. All the way at the bottom, you'll see them for the Dodge owners. Then there's the push pin on this side over here. And then you gotta show y'all that push pin. So that, like I say, you just take your pin, push it in there, and then this will come out, and then you just take your pry bar, go behind it, and just pry it open. And then, like I say, you have the 4 screws up under there. This is Dodge Challengers only. Dodge Challengers only. I don't know what kind of vehicle y'all have, so if you know how to take y'all's sleeve off y'all door, great. But this is just for the Dodge Challengers. So the 6x9s are in, and they sound amazing. and the halves get here, so I can put those in. That'll be part 2 of this video. Man, oh my God, the clarity, man. Like I said, if YouTube wasn't hitting with this, you know, copyrights, man, I'd give y'all more of this music and how it sounds. But each door took about 15 minutes a piece, so it's about a 30-minute job. On a scale of D.I.Y, it's probably about a 7. I mean, if you know how to install speakers and subs and stuff like that, man, it's real easy. Like I say, just pretty much plug and play. That one speaker, I did have to splice the wire to connect it because I guess it came loose. But like I say, for 57 bucks for a pair of kickers, man, hey, I'm not complaining. Y'all know me, I try to go the cheap route to save money in y'all pocket. Yeah, I had to come out my shirt, man. This shirt, this white beat I got on, this drenched, man. It's that hot. But I wanted to give y'all a D.I.Y. Oh yeah, and like I said, I will be doing a giveaway Sunday. I will be giving away the 6x9s that I did have in here, the crunches. Let me get them out. I do have the crunches right here. Like I say, they're still practically new, man. I rarely listen to music in my car. As y'all can see, they still here. The tweeters still work. Everything still work. I have it packed and shipped the same way the kickers was. So it'll come in a kicker box to whoever wins. Good luck on the winners. And like I say, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button down below. It's the little icon. And like I said, I'm gonna throw in, the speaker wires that came with the kicker speakers. The kicker speakers. I can't talk today, man. It's heat. I'm gonna throw those wires in for you. And like I say, the 6.5 that's in the back. If y'all want me to do a giveaway for those, I will. Make sure y'all comment down below if y'all would like that to happen. But for anybody that needs 6x9s, y'all gotta check the channel out Sunday. I will be doing a giveaway Sunday at 8. I will be doing a giveaway Sunday at 8 for the speakers, the 6x9s. So make sure y'all stay tuned to the community post on that. And like I said, y'all don't, please, all my car creators and content, don't just think my channel is just about the car. Like I say, I have to sway away from just the car. Like I said, I have cruises, I have theme parks, I have family outings, fishing, stuff like that. If you read the About Me page, y'all will see that I said that I do other content other than just my car. Like I say, the Mopar content is kind of slowing down a little bit. Everybody's seen Hellcats, everybody's seen Scat Packs burn out, everybody's seen different types of modifications and wraps and stuff like that. So I do want to kind of bring you guys different content on stuff like that. But it's hot. I enjoyed y'all. If y'all have any questions, please comment down below and ask me. Y'all know I'll get back to you as quick as possible. But in the meantime, y'all stay hydrated. Please stay hydrated, man. Water, water, water. Don't go out here drinking these sodas, man. Stop drinking these sodas. These sodas go dehydrate y'all and have y'all cramping and stuff like that. But I'm finna get up out of here. Like I say, y'all stay tuned for the next mod that's coming. That video, I'll probably try to have that video out probably Monday, so y'all will probably get that video Monday. So I'm gonna try to start uploading videos on Mondays because I have so much to do during the week. If y'all see it early, sneak peek, you must follow me on Instagram to see what the new mod is. Make sure you head over to my Instagram, which is scrolling across right now. There it is. Head over there, y'all will see a lot of the mods that I have first over there, then y'all will here. Like I say, Sunday, 8 p.m, I will be doing a giveaway. For the meantime, y'all stay safe, stay hydrated, and I'm out of here. Peace.